Lesson 4: Valuing all your emotions. The next step in tapping into your emotional advantage is to value all your emotions. Every emotion you have is beneficial and serves your advantage. There is no such thing as a bad or good emotion, only emotions that are managed well or badly, causing one to serve to your advantage and another to destroy you and your future. Take, for example, anger. Many say it's a bad emotion, but only when you manage it badly, causing hurt to you or others. When valued and handled properly, anger is useful for correcting injustices and protecting yourself or others. All emotions become good when you realize the value they bring to you. First of all, every emotion is a signal, giving you vital information about yourself, others, and your surroundings. When welcomed, understood, and responded to properly, the information provided by your emotions will guide you towards healing, safety, and success. Emotion points to our needs and wants and encourages us to meet those needs and wants, creating the fulfillment we desire. For example, anger could be telling you that you are passionate about something. It could tell you where your boundaries are and what you believe needs to change to create a better world. This information helps you recognize when an action is wrong and when you need to take action to restore peace or create a safer environment. Have a look at the other primary emotions we have identified. What do you think each emotion is trying to tell you? Secondly, emotions either provide energy you need to act or reduces inner strength to help you slow down to address certain issues in your life. The Latin word for emotion literally means energy in motion. Emotion is the experience of energy gained or lost through the body, creating an upward or downward spiral effect on all your emotions. We have all experienced the increase in energy when angry and the sudden loss of energy when consumed by sadness. The word emotion also provides another clue. The energy produced by emotions is to drive us to motion, to either take or reduce action. Anger gives enough energy to the body, and in this way, for example, it helps the boy who's being bullied to punch his torturer in the face. Sadness, on the other hand, reduces energy in our bodies, so we have time to reflect, sleep, and cry. Have a look at the other primary emotions we have identified. Which ones increases energy in the body and which ones reduces it? Why do you think it does that? Lastly, emotions are valuable as they spur us on to do what is important and sometimes what we never imagined we could do. In 1980, Carrie Leitner, a 13-year-old, was killed by a drunken hit-and-run driver in California. Saddened by the loss of her daughter and angered by the lack of strict laws preventing drunken driving, Candace Leitner organized Mothers Against Drunk Driving, MADD. The group's greatest success was the enacting of the National Minimum Drinking Age Act in 1984 in America. But even little events that have a strong emotion linked to it can motivate us to take action. For example, If we feel happy having a cup of coffee with someone, we'll feel more motivated to spend time with that person again. And vice versa if we felt disgust when with that person during coffee time. These are several reasons why emotions are so valuable to you. And I hope these 3 reasons is enough to show you that every emotion is valuable to you and adds to your emotional advantage by giving you precious information, necessary energy, and the motivation to do great things. With this in mind, let's have another look at the primary emotions we have selected. Take a little time to think and to answer the following questions. What sort of information is usually being sent to you by these emotions? How do these emotions affect your energy level? Why? What does each emotion motivate you to do?